We have the 2019 Ford Fiesta. This vehicle has done just over 38,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access valet mode, Apple and Android CarPlay, emergency assistance, Ford Pass Connect, mobile apps and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with our rear parking camera with sensors. Just below is our AC with heated seats on either side and our heated steering wheel in the middle. If we press our mode button, we can switch between racetrack, normal and sport. Now as we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim.